Hello, my dear friend. Today, we're going to talk about something that's incredibly important, especially for those of us who've crossed the age of 50, improving circulation in our legs and feet. Maybe you've felt that tingling sensation or heaviness in your legs after a long day. That's completely normal, especially as we age, because blood doesn't flow as smoothly as it once did. The truth is, circulation isn't just about keeping our hearts healthy. It plays a huge role in how comfortable our legs and feet feel too. But here's the good news. Improving circulation doesn't require expensive medications or treatments. No, just a few tweaks to your diet can make a massive difference. Did you know that many of the foods you probably already have in your kitchen can help boost blood flow in a significant way? Let me share with you 12 wonderful foods that can work wonders for your circulation, especially in your legs and feet. Let's start by talking about how what we eat directly affects our circulation. You might think that food is just about satisfying hunger, but the reality is much more fascinating. Certain foods can dramatically influence how well our blood flows, which is particularly important for our legs and feet since they're the farthest from our hearts. If we don't maintain good circulation, we could end up with swelling, discomfort, or even more serious issues like varicose veins or blood clots over time. But don't worry, this is where the right foods can help. Some foods act like natural medicines, helping blood flow better and keeping our blood vessels healthy, while others, especially those high in unhealthy fats, can make circulation sluggish. So what can we do about it? Let me take you through the 12 foods that can make a real difference. First up, let's talk about foods rich in omega-3 and antioxidants. These are absolute heroes when it comes to boosting circulation, especially for us folks over 50. 1. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. Now, my friend, if you're a fan of fish, you're in luck. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These little wonders help reduce inflammation in your blood vessels and make the blood flow more smoothly. Think of omega-3s as the oil that keeps the gears of your body running smoothly. For people our age, this is especially important because inflammation in the blood vessels can make it harder for blood to flow freely. I once read a study from the American Heart Association that showed how regularly eating fatty fish can significantly reduce the risk of blood clots. Aim to have fatty fish a couple of times a week. It's not only great for your legs and feet, but also for your heart and brain. 2. Walnuts. Now let's move on to a snack that's easy to include in your daily routine. Walnuts. These little gems are full of omega-3s too, specifically a type called alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. It works in a similar way to the omega-3s in fish, helping reduce inflammation and improving blood flow. But that's not all. Walnuts also contain something called L-arginine, which your body turns into nitric oxide. This magical compound helps widen your blood vessels, allowing blood to move more freely through your body, reaching your legs and feet more easily. A small handful of walnuts each day can go a long way in keeping your circulation healthy. 3. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher. Here's something for those of you with a sweet tooth, dark chocolate. But not just any chocolate. We're talking about dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. Why? Because it's full of flavonoids, which are antioxidants that help your body produce more nitric oxide. As I mentioned earlier, nitric oxide is crucial for relaxing your blood vessels and making it easier for blood to travel all the way down to your legs and feet. Just a small piece of dark chocolate can be your little indulgence that also helps your circulation. 4. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. If you like fresh, natural snacks, berries are a fantastic choice. They're not just delicious, but also packed with flavonoids that improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, or blackberries, they're all full of these beneficial compounds I remember reading a study where people who ate a bowl of mixed berries daily showed improved heart function and better circulation over a short period. So, grab a handful of berries for a snack or toss them into your yogurt. They're a great way to give your circulation a boost naturally. Now that we've talked about some foods rich in omega-3s and antioxidants, let's move on to the foods that help dilate blood vessels. These foods help widen the blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow, which is especially helpful for circulation to your legs and feet. 5. Garlic. Garlic. Not only does it add amazing flavor to your meals, but it also does wonders for your circulation. When you chop or crush garlic, it releases a compound called allicin. This compound helps relax and dilate your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. Just 1 clove of garlic a day can make a noticeable difference. In fact, there's a well-known study that showed regular garlic consumption helps reduce the risk of developing blood clots. It's one of nature's best remedies, and it's so easy to add to your meals. 6. Turmeric. If you're into spices, turmeric is one you don't want to skip. Its active compound, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory. You see, chronic inflammation can damage your blood vessels over time, but turmeric helps reduce this inflammation, making it easier for blood to flow. It's especially beneficial as we age, since it also improves the function of the inner lining of your blood vessels. You can add turmeric to soups, smoothies, or even sprinkle it over roasted vegetables. 7. Spinach. Remember Popeye? Well, it turns out spinach really does make you stronger, particularly when it comes to circulation. Spinach is high in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, the compound that widens your blood vessels. This allows blood to flow more easily to your legs and feet. Studies have shown that eating spinach can help lower blood pressure too, which is always a bonus as we get older. Try adding it to your salads or smoothies. You'll be doing your circulation a big favor. 8. Beets. Beets are another nitrate-rich food that's great for circulation. Drinking beet juice has actually been shown to lower blood pressure within just a few hours. And since beets are also packed with antioxidants, they protect your blood vessels while improving circulation. I read once that athletes drink beet juice to improve their performance because it helps blood flow to their muscles more efficiently. So if it works for them, it can certainly work for us in keeping our legs and feet healthy. Now let's talk about foods high in vitamin C and nitrates. These are key to keeping your blood vessels strong and ensuring optimal circulation. 9. Oranges. Oranges are fantastic because they're loaded with vitamin C, which strengthens the walls of your blood vessels. Stronger blood vessels mean better blood flow, and that's exactly what we need, especially in our legs and feet. A simple orange a day can do wonders. Vitamin C also has anti-inflammatory effects, helping reduce any swelling in the lower parts of the body. 10. Pomegranates. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more exotic, pomegranates are packed with polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that help protect blood vessels and improve circulation. These antioxidants help blood vessels relax, allowing blood to flow more freely. Pomegranate juice, in particular, has been shown to reduce the risk of developing heart disease by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. It's a delicious and healthy addition to your diet. 11. Ginger. I can't say enough about ginger. It's a powerful spice that not only adds flavor to your meals, but also helps improve circulation by reducing inflammation in your blood vessels. Gingerol, the active compound in ginger, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Some studies have even suggested that ginger can help prevent blood clots from forming, which is crucial for keeping circulation healthy in your legs and feet. 12. Celery. And finally, we have celery. It's light, refreshing, and packed with nitrates, which, as we've discussed, convert into nitric oxide, relaxing your blood vessels and improving blood flow. Celery is great because it's low in calories, making it a perfect snack, but it also has this added benefit of supporting your circulation. It's a win-win. So, my friend, these 12 foods can really make a difference in boosting circulation in your legs and feet. You don't have to eat them all every day, just try to include them throughout the week. Add some fatty fish, snack on walnuts or berries, or sprinkle a bit of garlic or turmeric into your meals. Consistency is key, and soon you'll feel the benefits not only in your legs and feet, but in your overall health too. And hey, don't keep this valuable information to yourself. Share it with your loved ones on WhatsApp so they can also benefit from these simple but powerful changes.